Good morning Standard 8 students. In my previous video, I have showed you how to change a phrase given in a sentence into possessive form. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make abstract noun from verbs. So let's start. Now dear students, here you can see how to make abstract noun from verbs. I have written some verbs for you and I will change these verbs into abstract nouns. So let's start. The first word is divert. It is a verb. So I have to make this divert into abstract noun. So what will be the abstract noun of divert? Here I am writing the answer. Divert, so it will become diversion. See, I have written divert, diversion. Now, the second word is instruct. So what will be the abstract noun of instruct? Yes, instruction. Instruction. Now you see the third word is reduce. So what will be the abstract noun of reduce? The abstract noun of reduce will be reduction. R-E-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Reduction. Now fourth word is defend. So what will be the abstract noun of defend? It will be defense. It will be defense. Now question number 5. Obey. So what will be the abstract noun of obey? It will be obedience. Obedience. You see. Now flatter. So what will be the abstract noun of flatter? It will be flattery. Flattery. Now compose. Seventh word is compose. What will be the abstract noun of compose? Yes, it will be composition. C-O-M-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N. Composition. Now you see the eighth word is marriage. So what will be the abstract noun of marriage? It will be married. It will be married. Now see the ninth word, introduce. So what will be the abstract noun of introduce? It will be introduction. Yes, it will be introduction. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-O-N. Now you see the 10th word, wise. So what will be the abstract noun of wise? It will be wisdom. It will be wisdom. So 11th word you see, advertise. So what will be the abstract noun of advertise? It will be advertisement. Advertisement. You see, A-D-V-E-R-T-I-S-E-M-E-N-T. Advertisement. Now 12th, die. So what will be the abstract noun of die? Yes, it will be death. So dear students, here I have written all the abstract noun of the verbs that I have written for you. So divert, diversion, instruct, instruction, reduce, reduction, defend, defense, obey, obedience, flatter, flattery, compose, composition, marriage, married, introduce, introduction, wise, wisdom, advertise, advertisement, die, death. So in my next video, I am going to teach you more about abstract noun. So stay with me for the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.